The new Toyota Corolla has been placed between the CHR and RAV4 in Toyota's global lineup and has been built on the TNGA C platform. It measures 4,460 mm in length, 1,825 mm in width, gets a 2,640 mm long wheelbase and has a height of 1,620 mm. The new Corolla Cross has two engine options, 2.0-litre dynamic force dual VVTi with mixed injection, direct and indirect, and a power of 170 horsepower, coupled to the pre-programmed 10-speed direct shift CVT transmission. And Toyota's self-rechargeable hybrid system composed of a 1.8-litre VVTi combustion engine that is combined with an electric motor, the eCVT transmission, and a self-rechargeable battery. Toyota Corolla Cross SUV is based on company's TNGA platform, which according to Toyota provides a spacious cabin and class-leading luggage space of 487 liters. The SUV gets a large grille with black mesh pattern and black surrounds, swept back full LED headlamps with DRL, Fox skid plate on the chin, flared wheel arches, 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels and rear haunches. The SUV's rear is dominated by split wraparound tail lights, a black bumper with reflectors and a skid plate. The SUV gets a clean layout with soft touch materials for the dashboard. The center stage is taken by a 9-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system which offers support for Apple CarPlay, 7-inch TFT display for the instrument panel, powered tailgate with kick sensor, powered moonroof, powered adjustable driver seat, recline feature for rear seats, etc.